Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is apparent. This is a B2 level adjective that means clearly visible or understood. It's a versatile word that you can use in a variety of situations to describe things that are obvious or easy to notice. Let's dive deeper into how we use apparent in everyday language. Imagine looking out the window on a cloudy day and suddenly noticing a break in the clouds. You might say, "It's apparent that the sun is coming out soon." Here, the word apparent emphasizes how clear and visible the change in the weather is. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like obvious, evident, and clear are similar in meaning to apparent. For example, you could say, "It's obvious she worked hard on this project," or "the mistake was evident from the start." These words can be swapped with apparent depending on the context. On the other hand, antonyms like hidden, unclear, or obscure show the opposite meaning. If something isn't immediately visible or easy to understand, you could say, "The answer to this puzzle is hidden," or "his intentions remain unclear." In everyday life, you might use apparent when you want to describe something that stands out or is easily understood. For instance, if you walk into a room where everyone looks tense, you could say, "It was apparent that something serious had happened." Or, when someone is smiling brightly, you might comment, "Her happiness was apparent to everyone around her." Here are a few more examples to help you feel confident using this word. The benefits of regular exercise are apparent to anyone who makes it a habit. It became apparent that the meeting would run longer than expected. The excitement in his voice was apparent as he shared the news. To wrap things up, today we learned that apparent means clearly visible or understood. We talked about its synonyms like obvious and evident, as well as its antonyms like hidden and unclear. I hope you feel ready to use this word in your own conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word apparent and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.